What's up, my beautiful people? Today we are making garlic sriracha kung pao noodles. Super simple, super easy, in 1 minute. Let's get started. Whatever you're making, always make sure you start out with some good garlic and also ginger. We're using udon noodles. Chop up some onions. Add some sesame oil to your pan. Don't put too much in it though. Add your garlic and onions to the pan. Let them cook down for about 5 minutes. Add your noodles. Add some kung pao sauce. Add some soy sauce. Add some sriracha. Add some brown sugar. Throw in a little cornstarch. After that, mix everything up. I added a little fried egg to mine, but you don't have to. Add some parsley flakes and some sesame seeds. And that's it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and like this video and check out more videos on my channel just like this one.